Good morning students. Today we are going to start the new chapter number 14. That heading is Statistics, Ankada Shastra. Now this is one of the branch of the mathematics. In higher classes this will be the separate subject. In 11th and 12th, those who take commerce, this subject is separate and separate paper will be taken. In this 9th standard and 10th standard, only two chapters are taken from statistics. In short we call it stat. Okay. Now around so many data we are collecting, like height of all the students of class 9A, 9B, same way the age, then height, weight, then attendance. So all these data on the daily basis we are collecting. So the facts or the figures which are numerical or maybe qualitative collected with a definite purpose are called data. Data is plural form of Latin word that is called datum. This is one of the Latin language word, means that is plural word form of datum. Its plural is data, right? So it is one of the figures or facts, numericals, it may be qualitative, collected for definite purpose. It is called data. Now what is statistics? Statistics is a branch of mathematics in which the extraction of meaningful information is studied. So stat deals with collection, organization, analysis and interpretation of data. So stat is used in two different contexts. Plural sense means numerical data. Singular sense means the subject dealing in data analysis. Now the data which is collected, that is of two types, primary data and secondary data. Now what is the difference between primary data and secondary data? When the information is collected by the investigator himself or herself with definite objective in their mind, the data is obtained is called primary data. Now primary data means collected directly with the person. जैसे मैं आज आपका height ले रही हूँ सभी students का, okay? I am taking the height of all the students from roll number 1 to 53. So height will be different obviously. So directly I am collecting this data, so that is called primary data. But suppose something that is ordered from the office ने टीचर को ऑर्डर किया, टीचर ने फिर एक स्टूडेंट को काम दे दिया, ओके? सो वाया the work is done. So that is called secondary. The secondary data means when the information is gathered from a source which already had the information stored. Suppose the account of the account holders in the bank. So that is data is stored in the computer, and then one person then gives to the manager. So in this way, suppose population is counting. So population, it is not the function of one person. So many people they gather from different regions, then one town or village, then city, then state, then whole country. So in this way, so the information which is collected from source which is already had the information stored, and the data obtained is called secondary data. So there are two types of collection of the data, primary data and secondary data. So tomorrow we shall continue the 14.1 based on this.